What's up, everybody? I know you've been waiting for this, so here it is. Time to go ahead and lay out everything that's going to be happening with this 10K giveaway. If you are subscribed to the channel, you will have seen the post that I just recently did that talks about what's going to be happening here. So this is your official announcement video. Here's how this is going to work. I've already laid out what I'm going to be doing. We're going to be giving away product. I'm going to be consulting with you on your lawn. We are going to be doing a soil test. We are going to be doing videos about this as we go along, and I'm going to be working with you directly and closely to make this incredible. So, this is what's going to happen. A few simple things. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm mainly going to be talking to subscribers right now because, this is really for you guys. This video is going to set to expire. It is coming on. It will only be on for 12 hours, okay? So for 12 hours, you will have the opportunity to be entered into this drawing. Now you're gonna ask, how do I get entered into the drawing? Well, it's really quite simple. Here's all that's gonna happen. You are going to comment down below that says, me, whatever. It doesn't really matter what you comment. I don't care, but you're gonna have to do it. Gotta comment down below so that I can get everybody's names into this system. It's going to be fully random, and I am limiting it, and I'm limiting it for a reason. Some people like to get on and just win giveaways, and that's great, but hey, this channel's for education. So I want everybody who is an active part of this, who's been an active part of the community, to really have the opportunity here and maybe kind of shrink that field just a little bit. So comment down below. That's the only way that I can get the randomizer to work. It's going to pull all those comments, and we'll pick a winner at random. We will pick a winner this coming Saturday, which is the 28th. The 28th at 5 p.m. Eastern. 5 p.m. Eastern, I will go live. 5 p.m. Eastern, I will go live. So, you're gonna wanna get on at that point, hang out, we'll chat a little bit, a little tiny live chat thing, announce the winner. When you are announced, email me, answers@Lawncology, so that I know I don't have to try to track you down. I really don't want to have to do that. We're going to be in touch on a regular basis. I'll get everybody's particulars that way, and we will go through your program, how I'm going to have you take samples, where you're going to send it, and all of that good stuff. So, this is it. This is a short announcement. All the rules are down below. You can read everything through there. Take a look. We have to do that because it's part of policy with YouTube when we do giveaways. All the rules are down below. Everything you're winning, everything about it. So, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming on this lawn journey with me. And we're just going to keep on cruising. So, comment. Throw it down there. There's a 12-hour window. Okay? It's going to launch, and it's going to end 12 hours later, and I will have all of the data for everybody that I need at that time. So, get after it, and I'll talk to you guys real soon.